Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can insert a text into your video clips you create on Adobe Firefly. So let us guide you through this. Navigate to your account on Adobe Firefly, access your library here on the left hand side under your stuff, select generation history and filter out videos from that drop down menu. Next, hover your mouse over the given video clip, click into these three dots, select open in video editor. Inside the video editor guys, click into the given scene here in the timeline at the bottom to position your playhead. Next, navigate to the text tool on the left hand side or use the shortcut Alt+3. Click into add text. I have already done that. So here you will see the text box. Now you may position it, double click into it to change the text. For instance here. And what you want to do after that, let me just move it here. And what you want to do next is use these tools here on the right hand side. You may, for instance, change the text font, font style, font color, font size, apply various tools, like for example, change the text layout, make it, for example, look like this or that, or you may change the alignment, apply italic, bold letters, italic, bold, and so on and so forth. Rotate the text. You may also use this handle here to adjust the rotation. That's how it works. Now you may of course change the length of the text here in the timeline. So now as you can see, it starts somewhere here at the 4 seconds mark and it lasts until that position here. That's how it works guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.